Today's topic is entropy, degree of randomness, average of self-information. We cannot say in entropy. Entropy is how we can define an entropy and what the formula is that this is the entropy HXI anti I1 P. P is here is the probability I XI and I is here is the information average is equal to M summation 1 I by 1 P X is log. Log is here is the information represented by that. Okay, average self information is that the formula is that. Average mutual information, what is that? So it is a combination of two things, X and Y. We can say we will discuss about this. This is the summation M J is equal to 1, M I is equal to 1 and P I P X I P Y I X I log P Y I and X I by P Y I. When we need X, so that time we will put in here is a Y I. Then we need a X, so we will there here is the X I. We will discuss about in this thing in our later lecture. We will discuss in this topic also. I will tell you what I want to say you. Okay, and here is the M summation J is equal to 1, M summation I is equal to 1, P Y I P I X I slash Y I log this and that. That thing I want to tell you that because when I need a H Y X, so that time we will write like that. Then I need Y. So when we will solve a question, so that time you will understand in this both things in exactly what I want to say you, what I want to tell you. Okay. After that, average condition self-information. Average condition is a self-information. What is that? Is the combination of joint probability and conditional probability. Okay, H X Y is equal to N summation I is equal to 1, M J is equal to 1, P X I slash J Y J bracket clause and log 1 by P X X I and Y I. It is that, and again, and what we want to say, what we doing in all things is the average conditional self information formulas I X Y and H I is minus H X Y and H Y is equal to H bracket Y is X. It is that is a conditional, it's a join, it's a conditional. Joint entropy, what is that? Joint entropy is that discrete. Joint entropy, we have two things, but is discrete, second is continuous. It's a discrete time in joint entropy formulas minus M is I is equal to 1 and J is equal to 1 P X I and Y log P X I and Y I. So its formula is that it's a discrete time. Here there we will using what in summation, and here we will use integration. Continuous time signal joint entropy may that we are using continuous entropy, joint entropy, that we have to use integration. Can you see in this infinity minus infinity, infinity minus infinity? Here our value is infinity to infinity. P X P Y Px and Py log Py slash x and px. That is that the formula is that. And now we will solve in one problem, and after that you will connect it with me in very easily. And this problem is a average conditional self information. There we have one value, and n here is our that, and how many values we have? 4. So that's why our n is equal to 4. That's why when we will write in our formula, and we will put in this in our formula like summation for I is equal to 1 px log 1 by pxi. And this formula, what is this that formula? That formula we have a normal entropy formula. It's a entropy. First of all, we will showing and we will solve entropy, and after that we will showing after that what we want to solve in this question. And this is our question. And for I is equal to 0 pxi log 1 by px, hxi is equal to 1 by 2 log 1 in 1/2 4 plus that value. We just put it in this formula like that. And how we can solve it? Like these value will become in 1. So here we will put 2, 4, 8, 8. You can see now 8, 8. After that 1, 2 log 2, 2 की power 2. And here is 4. So we will take 2 की power 2. And here is 8. So that's why we are taking 2 की power 3. And here same as like that. And what is next? How we will learn in the next? 1 by 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 by 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3 by 4 multiplied by 4. 1 3 by 4 is equal to like that we are taking. After that we will take a summation in all 1 by 4. It's a 7 by 4. And after that we will learn about mutual information. What is that mutual information? I will make video taking in this topic in the next video.